Hello. For today, I'm going to be showing you how to make honey roasted carrots. But first, here's a little bit of history on carrots in 16th century England. Now, when Henry VIII married Catherine of Aragon, she craved a salad. But the English, they really didn't understand vegetables that much. So in 1509, Henry VIII had to hire a Dutch gardener to come over to England to make a garden and prepare the vegetables needed for the salad that Catherine of Aragon craved. Over the years, they learned a little bit about vegetables, mainly using them with various meats. In 1577, Thomas Tusser wrote a book called The 500 Points of Good Husbandry. I believe that's the name of the book. But in the book, he wrote a list of roots and vegetables to either boil or butter. Well, in today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to put butter and honey along with some salt and pepper onto the carrots, bake it for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and serve. Follow me into the kitchen. Okay, first you'll want to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. And now you're going to add in your baby carrots. And now you'll want to add in 3 tablespoons of honey. And now add in half a teaspoon of salt. And add in 1/4 a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Okay, now stir everything together. You'll want to make sure that all the carrots are covered in both the butter and the honey. Now, once you have stirred your carrots together, you will want to spread them out onto a baking sheet. And now bake the carrots for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And now, once your carrots are done baking, go ahead, plate them, and serve. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask and subscribe.